Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be making some fun and festive faux fall flower arrangements. Is that enough alliteration for you? I was originally making these to host a barbecue. I wanted to jazz it up with a little color for the season, and I made them in these woven basket things I have. They actually come with a glass insert, but I took them out because I just thought if someone bumped it or knocked it off the table or something accidentally, there wouldn't be any broken glass to deal with. Plus, I just really liked the rustic vibe they have just with the reeds. Here are some of the flowers I'll be using in this video. Many of my flowers come from the Dollar Tree, so this is a very inexpensive project that literally anyone can do. So when you start, you just want to separate them, and I usually leave the last one long and bend the end over, which is especially helpful on this project. I will show you why in a second. The bend is going to help keep the ends of the flowers from poking through the holes in the basket. I like to start with my larger flowers and then fill in with the smaller ones. And you can just keep adding things until you get the look that you want. The more variety you have and the different variations in color, the more interesting your arrangement's going to look. It's all about balance. So if you feel like there's too much of one color on one side or too many of the same kind of flower, move it. That's the beauty of artificial flowers. You can adjust them endlessly without having to worry about the petals falling off like you would with real flowers. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love real flowers, but they are extremely delicate, and plus they don't last all that long. With these, you can keep reusing the flowers, rearrange them, or keep using the same arrangement if you just really put something that you love together and enjoy it year after year. They also make great gifts for people. Adding things with a little height will give you a little drama. Yep, I think I'm pretty satisfied with this one. Let's do another one. The possibilities are endless. You can make these match any color scheme, theme, or any event. If you want a more chic look, you can go for a metallic or a glass base. I personally like to mix and match. Here's another one I did with some polka dots. You can even use mason jars. The sky's the limit. You would be surprised what you have laying around the house that will make a beautiful arrangement. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that like button and let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving and stay safe out there. Until next time, bye!